Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this playlist, I will write a code for those patterns which are frequently asked in the university exams, and that patterns are and then have to be solved in the C++. This is our first task in print above pattern in C++. It is asked in a recently university midterm exam, and the instructions was used in the class and the user defined functions, and we have to use a for loop not allowed to print manually. To solve any pattern, we must know these things about pattern: how many rows and columns are there in the pattern, and what kind of sequence pattern contain. There is 7 rows and 18 columns in this pattern, and first and the last row is same and other rows are same, meaning that first and the last row containing the same sequence and others containing the same sequence. So we will write code for this pattern. Let's start. We will create a class pattern. Now we will create user defined function. Now we will write code for rows. For loop. How many times it should run? 7 times, because we want 7 rows. And inner loop, how many columns we want? We want 18 columns. And after each row we want and new line. Now we will write code for rows. If it is the first or it is the last row, we want to print something. Something is, we want to print the sequence of series containing dollar signs and minus sign. The sequence is dollar minus dollar minus dollar. This is the sequence of the row. Now we will write code for this to print this kind of sequence. And to print the desired sequence, we will write if the column B represents the column in this loop, in a loop, if the column is, if column modulus, it means that if the column is 2 4 if the column number is 2 4 6 or so on, we want to print minus sign, else we want dollar sign. Now we write code for rest of lines, rest of rows. Rest of rows also contain the same sequence, like first column and the ninth column containing a dollar sign and other columns containing spaces. We will write code for this now. If the column is first or the column is ninth, we want to print dollar sign, else we want space. And our user defined function is complete. Now we will instantiate the class. We will call its member method, and here is our output. So it is our desired output. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.